People usually think they are not easy to manipulate. They think they are too smart or too careful. The truth is, manipulation is not about being smart or careful. It is about how you feel. Manipulation is about getting to your emotions, your fears, and your desire to be a person. A person who manipulates is not trying to outsmart you, they are trying to get to your feelings. Being hard to manipulate is not about being negative or fighting all the time. It is about having some boundaries that protect you from people's influence. It is about knowing yourself and being aware of what's going on around you. So let us look at some signs that you're not easy to manipulate. Sign 1. You think before you react. People who manipulate try to rush you into doing something. They try to make you feel like you have to do something now. If you are hard to manipulate, you do not rush into things. You take your time, you think, and you observe. You look at the person who is trying to manipulate you. You think about what they are saying. You think about how you feel, and you think about what you want to do. This is how you stay in control. Sign 2. You are okay with people not liking you. This can be in 1. A lot of people do not like it when others do not like them. People who manipulate know this, and they use it against you. They make you feel like you have to do something to make them like you. If you are hard to manipulate, you do not care if people like you or not. You know that you cannot control what other people think, so you do not try. You just be yourself. If people do not like you, that is okay. Sign 3. You try to understand why people do things. Most people just listen to what others say. People who are hard to manipulate try to understand why people say things. They try to figure out what the other person wants, and why they are saying what they are saying. This is like having a sense. You can tell when someone is trying to manipulate you, and you can stop them. Sign 4. You are honest with yourself. People who manipulate often try to use your weaknesses against you. They try to make you feel bad about yourself. They try to make you feel like you owe them something. If you are hard to manipulate, you are already aware of your weaknesses. You have thought about them. You have dealt with them. So when someone tries to use them against you, it does not work. Sign 5. You care about what's true, not just about being popular. People who manipulate often try to get you to take their side. They try to make you feel like you have to be on their team. You have to agree with them. If you are hard to manipulate, you do not care about being popular. You care about what's true, and you are willing to stand up for what you believe in, even if it means being alone. This is what keeps you safe from manipulation. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.